My name is Abigail Connolly. I studied Culinary Arts Management between the years of 2011 and 2015. Well, I started off at UCB doing my MVQ and then went on to my degree after that, and the whole place really excited me. The lecturers really excite me, and the kitchens themselves, like the facilities that you've got there, really outstanding. What do I do now? I own and run Arch 13, which is a wine bar just down the road from UCB. Why do I like my current job? It's great. I get to talk to people and I get to drink wine and just have a good time and make a living out of it. It's really good fun. We've got a great team that make me laugh all the time, and we just have fun all the time, and we're always learning as well. There's always more stuff to learn about wine and about service. How did studying at UCB help? I think just gives you a passion. It really ignites things inside, like really shows you what you could be doing and how you could like change the industry and go forward. And I think, you know, gives you a great team to work with there, and you get used to that kind of camaraderie. And especially in Culinary Arts Management, you get that kind of business acumen around you as well, not just the service, not just the hospitality. Whilst I was studying, Hired helped me find a placement. They placed me in the south of France for a year, which was just an amazing experience. Couldn't be more grateful for them for managing to get that, because we just had so much fun. It's 12 months in the south of France, I couldn't complain really. It's not always going to be easy, it's going to be really hard, but honestly just stick at it and you'll get there in the end. And just really rely on the other people doing the course with you, just rely on each other and do the best you can together, because it's all about teamwork on that course. Work hard, know that you have to work your way up from the bottom. It's not always going to be easy, do the hours, but also don't let yourself be taken advantage of. This industry is no longer run on 80-hour weeks, so just really do the best you can, but remember that there's got to be a work-life balance as well.